In this video, we'll help you get started in construction with a step-by-step guide on how to get a CSCS green card, also known as the laborer's card. There are 3 things you need to do to get your CSCS card. First, pass an accepted Level 1 Health and Safety qualification. You can get this qualification online if you have a computer with a working microphone and camera. Next, you'll need to complete the CITB Health, Safety and Environment exam at local test center. And finally, you'll need to complete the application and send off proof of your qualifications to CSCS. Step 1 is to join our accredited Level 1 Health and Safety in Construction course. This online program equips you with essential site safety skills recognized by CITB and CSCS. Complete the training from your home computer, including a final exam. Visit wardtraining.co.uk for more information on our online Level 1. Step 2 is booking your CITB Health, Safety and Environment test. Prepare with our expert-designed study material to pass the exam and qualify for your green CSCS card. Simplify the process with our Level 1 course and CITB booking package. Let us manage the details and get you started on site as early as possible. Step 3 is applying for your CSCS card. Submit your Level 1 certificate and CITB test results, then apply online via the official CSCS website. Include valid ID and pay the £36 fee as of 2025.